Okay, Buffalo Gold Collection 3-reel at Salmon Well. $100 in, $1.80 a spin. Buffalo! I'm gonna play this down to $60, I think. Or unless I get a bonus. If I get a bonus, I'll cash out. At this rate, I'll be cashing out at $60. Come on. Finally, a decent hit. Oh. Coyotes, I mean wolves. Oh, hit it. Yes! Bonus. Happy day. Cheers, everyone. This is a mimosa. Cougars. 360. Got 5 more games. $1.20. I need one more gold buffalo for Eagles to go wild. Last spin coming up. Bummer, 750. All right, keep spinning. Wolves, 30 cents. Wolves, 90 cents. Oh, come on, there we go. Remember, $60 cashing out. Oh man, I needed a sunset. Look, there's a buffalo right there. All right. Last spin. Let me see. Bet down 60 cents. Here we go. 15 cents, 10 cents. Yep, not enough. All right. That's it. Buffalo Gold, Salmon Well. All right, Dancing Drum Explosion at Salmon Well. There are your jackpots. There's also the Explosion jackpot, which is right there. And here are your bets. So these 3, you can get up to the grand. These 2 qualify you for that bonus, that progressive right there. I'm going to go for 188. See what happens. So we need that gold drum to get the gold bonus. You get bigger reels. And the gold wiles increase the jackpots when you trigger the Foo Baby bonus. $8. I wish the volume was louder on this. Have it all the way up. Trying to get that pot to close. There's that gold drum. $36 line hit. Hello. Thank you. Oh! Oh, really? Oh, why couldn't it have been the gold drum? I'm still happy I got the bonus. Don't get that wrong. Oh, that's okay. I'm always a mystery person, so here we go. 6x5 is the best. I need 15. 5. That's better than 3. All right. Oh, I'm gonna have to move back for this one. Holy cow. Sorry you're not going to be able to see what I'm winning, but I'm at 1880 right now. So we need 2 drums or drum and a wild to re-trigger. I got last spin coming up. I am at $26. Last spin. That was another $2. 28.80. Okay. Let's keep going. This is one of my favorite songs. I don't know if you can hear it. Oh, gold wilds. So we need that gold wild to close the pot, and our progressives go up. There's that gold drum, rascal. I was just looking at the graphics of the gold drum versus the regular drum, and they're different in the layout of the design, not just the color. But on the gold drum, all the dragons are facing in one direction. Well, at least the one up here that I'm looking at up here, you can see all the dragons are turned towards each other, facing the back. But the drum here, they're facing directly to each other, so interesting. I don't know if that means anything. Oh, why couldn't that money tree be there in the first reel? Right, I'm gonna cash out at $50. Last spin. Right, that was Dancing Drum Explosion at Salmon Well.